guys, welcome back to another video. I know you liked all my videos that I did. We've been making more videos than usual lately. I've been by myself. I need my mom to put them on YouTube though, and I haven't been doing that much stuff lately. Yeah. But today I'm gonna be making a snowman video. About snowmans, elves. So, what I'm gonna need for this video is a couple subscribers. So before we start this video, click down below. Click down below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I have no idea, but I do not care. I don't know what tryouts I'm gonna get. Well, let's go ahead and start this video. Hope you subscribe, and I'll see you. Alright. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm sorry if my voice sounds funny. I'm a little bad in the videos with my voice. Hopefully I'll get old enough and my voice will sound different. But yeah, let's get started. This is a poor snowman walking along. He doesn't know what to do. Look at that over there. He sees a crack. He wants to go under. He's heading under that white big crack. He went under. He's under that crack. He's under there. I wonder what he will do. Is he going to be trapped under there forever? We'll find out. What a beautiful day it is. Hey, have you seen snowmen anywhere? No, I haven't. Willie. No. Look. Wait, guys. Hold on 1 second. I hope this video does not freak you out or anything. I really hope it doesn't. But wait. Is this guy the same as this Stitchy Monkey, but in Halloween motion? I don't know. You see a pumpkin right there and whiting. Seems about the same. And legs like that. Hope this video doesn't creep you out. But this woman was in my room last night looking for my food. If you eat one speck of food and if you leave it on your bed at night, she'll come and attack you. She attacked me. I have a big bite on my leg. I don't know how she'll attack you. Oh no, what do we do? That thing's creepy. I'm holding you. Hiya! Oh my gosh. Look at that house. It's incredible. I hope I was there. I hope. My leg is stuck. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Nee, 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 nee. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys didn't get all freaked out or anything. You might have saw this big ginormous house in the video. That's my new dolly house. Hope you like it. Subscribe down below. I hope you liked this video. And again, I hope it didn't freak you out. Alright, now bye-bye.